Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install an app or program on your Windows computer. So let's jump onto the screen here and jump right into this. So there's two different ways to get an app or a program on the computer, and let me show you the first way. So if we typed Store down here, or if we went to Start and found Microsoft Store, that would be the official app store for the Windows computer. You could search for it up here if you can't find it, or you could go to All Apps and look alphabetically for it. But once you click on it, something such as this will open up for you. And basically in this, you can scroll down to see if you can find something that you want. So say, for instance, we wanted this music one. Then we could simply click Install. I'm not going to do that because I'm actually going to show how this looks from the web browser, so searching the internet. So just a quick mention on this. This would be the official store where it would probably be safer to download programs and apps because these are screened by the store. They have security checks by the store before they can be on here. And so it would be safer, most likely, because Microsoft runs the store. And so you could get these apps and it would be safer. But if you trust the source, you could always open an internet browser. And let's use that same example. So Spotify, so this is a music player that you could put on your computer. So we basically want to search up here in the bar or in a search area for the name of the program and download. So what we're doing here is loading this program just like we would load packages into a car or load our refrigerator. We're loading it down from another computer onto ours, but you basically type the program name and download. You get the result for it, so Windows download, that's for us. And then you basically go down here and you see this right here, download directly from Spotify. So I click on that. And you can see in the top right here, it has this Spotify thing that just happened. So you can see that this, thing popped up here. So the start of our download. So we could either click on that, or if you're not sure, or if you didn't see that, if you're not sure that happened, then you could always close that, come over to your file folder system, and basically look over here on the left-hand side at your downloads. So these are the files that you just put onto your computer. And so this one, Spotify setup, we just did just by clicking on that. So if we double click on that, then it's going to download or bring the rest of the program onto our screen, onto our computer. And then it's going to install it. Kind of like if you're loading up maybe like a furniture item in your home, and then you're opening the box and installing it in your home. You're loading it into the home and then you're installing it and putting it together. Now we have this program on our computer and we can log in or sign up and so forth. So in that way, we can basically just have a new program and download programs to our computer. So computers are a lot more exciting once you can download programs and you can do so much more with them. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.